everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic data deduplication. So it is a feature in Windows Server which is used to eliminate the duplicate copies of data. So rather than saying in theory, I will show you practically. So go to add roles and features and click on next button, next. So under file and storage services, so we can see data deduplication, install it, next, install this feature, restart if needed, click on install. Okay, now the installation has been started. So before that, we need to make a network drive. So I already shown in my previous video, that is FSRM class. I showed you how to create a network drive under disk management. I create a network drive, that is Z drive of 20 GB. So under disk management, you can see that network drive. So if you don't know how to create it, you can watch my previous video, that is FSRM. So this is a drive I have created. So go to File Explorer. So new volume is a drive. So now we need to copy some folder to here, and we are creating some duplicate copies of that data also. So I can show you practically how data deduplication works. Not this one. We can copy this data, copy it, and paste it on our drive, that is Z drive. Now we are making more copies of this data, so I can show you practically how data deduplication works. So the best thing about data deduplication is it will free up the space from the drive, but the data won't be deleted. It will act as a one copy. So that's the best thing about data deduplication. So now we are making more copies of data. We can create 6 copies of data. Okay, now go to data deduplication, close it, under file and storage services, under volumes. So we are implementing data deduplication in this drive, that is Z drive. So right click on that, and we can see option configure data deduplication. Click on that one. So you have to select general purpose file server and days as 0. So we can schedule a time also to run this data duplication. In this day, in this time also, you can do according to that also. Apply OK. So I'm running data deduplication through a PowerShell. I will show you. Go to Windows PowerShell. Type this command. So you have to type this command. And now go to Server Manager. We can see progress as 0%. So now go to Server Manager and refresh it. See, we can see deduplication rate as 55%, and it almost saved 546 MB. So in that folder, we can still see the copies of data, but it will act as a one copy. That's the thing about data deduplication. So go to our drive, network drive, that is Z drive. So still we can see our copies of data, but it acts as a still one copies only. But it will free up the space. This is how data deduplication works. we can see still we have 90 GB free of 90.5. So it almost taken 500 MB only